In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a course folder on Google Drive to efficiently manage your teaching and course materials. Let's dive in and get organized step by step, making sure everything's clear and systematic. First, you'll want to start by heading over to Google Drive. Once you're there, look for the big plus new button on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, choose Folder. You'll be prompted to name this new folder. It's a good idea to name it something clear and recognizable like Math 101 Online Course. This helps you immediately identify it among other files and folders you may have. Now that your main course folder is set up, it's time to add some structure to it by creating subfolders. Click into your new folder and create separate folders for lessons, assignments, and resources. This approach will help you keep all course materials neatly organized and easy to find when needed. Moving on, let's upload your course materials. Head back to that handy plus new button. Here, you have the option to go with file upload if you're bringing in PDFs, videos, or presentation slides from your device. You can also simply drag and drop your files into the appropriate subfolder. This ensures that every component of your course is in its right place, saving you time and hassle later on. Next up, you'll want to make your course folder accessible to the right people, namely your students. To do this, right-click the folder you've created and select Share from the menu. Here lies an important choice. You can either enter your students' emails directly or adjust the settings to anyone with the link, if that's more convenient. Remember to pay close attention to the permission settings. You have several options. Viewer allows students to only view and download content. Commenter lets them leave notes or ask questions directly. And editor gives them the ability to upload or modify files, which is suitable only if you think such access is necessary. For the next step, consider creating interactive course content. Google Docs is a fantastic tool for lecture notes or any collaborative writing activities. If you're doing presentations, Google Slides will be your go-to. Google Sheets can be extremely helpful for tracking essentials like attendance, grades, or assignment submissions. Google Forms can streamline the process for quizzes, surveys, or gathering student feedback. Each of these tools can greatly enhance the interactivity of your course. Finally, it's important to have a streamlined way to share assignments and collect student work. Start by creating a student submissions folder. Adjust permissions in such a way that allows each student to upload their assignments without accessing others' work. For easy assignment collection, consider using Google Forms equipped with a file upload option. This method will ensure that everything flows smoothly from the student submitting their work to you reviewing it. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to setting up an organized and efficient online course folder in Google Drive.